Hey everyone, my name is Mahesh. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things related to making money online, passive income and online business. So today I've got an exciting method to share with you, the hands down easiest way to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, especially if you are a beginner. So I recently made around $300 within just a couple of days by making use of this free traffic source, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. And the best part is no social media, no content creation, no website and no videos. Before we dive in, if you're really interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home, click the link below for the free strategy. Get registered and you would be redirected to the complete affiliate marketing training. Okay, it's worth your time, so I request you to watch this video till the end. And you know guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? I actually went from zero to owning two different companies called Collabic LLC and Stasho Method. This is all because just by creating systems. You know, systems work, people fail. Just put this in mind. So before we begin with the actual video, if you're into learning about making money online and passive income, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And also it would be motivating me to create new content for you. So let's move with the actual video. The first step is to find an offer to promote. So head over to a fantastic affiliate network called Digistore24 and sign up for a free account. You know, it's a global platform. So even if you can't access other networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, MaxWeb and PartnerStack Impact, you can still use Digistore24. So once you are into Digistore24, go to Marketplace, choose a category. For this video, we'll pick Internet Marketing and e-business and select a low ticket offer to start. Please make a note, select a low ticket offer. That should be in range between $7 to $20. So now let's move on to a special site I mentioned, Worldprofit.com. It's a goldmine for free traffic. First, sign up by going to Worldprofit.com and you'll receive an email. Click that confirmation link and you are in. The site gives you free credits, typically around 10, which provides ad space for a week. So to get more, you can easily earn it by clicking on ads within the same platform. Now let's create our ad. So what you have to do is go to free classified ads, click on place ads free and use your 10 free credits to post an ad for 7 days. And remember, treat this like a paid service. Create a compelling ad with a catchy title, body and a strong call to action. So to get all these things at one place, I suggest you to move with ChatGPT. Or else if you have that content creation ideology, then you can make use of affiliate resources, grab some good titles and descriptions and you can write it down on your own. I suggest starting with a low ticket offer, as I said you. So once you're done with your product selection, copy your affiliate link from Digistore24, paste it in the ad and select relevant categories. And make a note, you can directly upload your affiliate link. If not, if you have your funnel link or your landing page link, then that would be really good. Why? Because you can create a sustainable income if you have your own website or a landing page or a funnel. So for that purpose only, I request you to watch the first link in the description video. Okay, just get registered and watch the complete video so that you would be coming to know what are the advantages if you have a funnel or a hub or a website. Alright, so to earn more ad credits, as I said you, for free, click on earn credits here on worldprofit.com and click on the ads you see and you'll receive credits for each ad you watch. Okay, this ensures you keep reposting your ad without spending money. So that's it guys. Start with free method, get your first sale and reinvest your earnings for even more exposure. Consider upgrading to the silver package on worldprofit.com for enhanced features. So once you have gained some traction. Remember, it's all about leveraging free traffic to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. And I hope you found value in this tutorial. And one more thing guys, as I said you would be receiving a $97 bonus. So this is a bonus which I'm talking about, which is called the Stasho method. This is my own program where I'm going to sell it for $97 in the future upcoming days. but right now it's going for $7 in the market, but in future days I'm going to absolutely sell it for $97. So right away I'm giving it for you free. So guys, this is the best opportunity for you. Why? Because I came across many difficulties in my initial stage of affiliate marketing. I came from zero, as I said you, and now I'm having my dream projects, like 2 different companies. One is Colabig LLC and the other one is the Stasho method, the exact thing what you're seeing in front of your eyes. So what difficulties I faced, you shouldn't face those difficulties. For that purpose, I've created a step-by-step guide where you can start your own supplement brand. So this is a great opportunity for you to create dietary supplement product. So if you are interested, you can directly register for the first link in the description. Watch the complete presentation first. It's a 2-hour presentation and it's worth your time. Then after 2 hours of watching this presentation, you will be receiving this $97 bonus directly to your email. So check out the link in the description for in-depth training. Don't forget to watch the recommended videos for more insights into making money online through affiliate marketing. Thanks for tuning in. Please do subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.